Alright, so right here we do have the air conditioner that works as a heater option. And we see it's from the brand called Senville. And this is the LETO Eco series. So right now we do have the product on. We turn on the heating option. And the way how you control it is by using remote control right here. So let me see how we actually set right here. So on the remote, it does give you guys an on and off button, a fan option, and different mode button. And you guys have plus and minus to increase and lower the temperature. And right after that, we do have a time option, sleep option, swing option, LED, follow me, direct, turbo, shortcut, and self-clean. So like I mentioned right now, we do have the heat option on. But if you guys press the mode button, you guys can change the different mode on here. So there's auto, cool, dry, heat, and fan option. So right now it's kind of cold, so that's why I turn on the heat option. And if you guys press on the fan button, that will increase the fan speed level on here. So there's low, medium, high, and auto. And you guys press the plus and minus to increase and lower the temperature like this. So the lowest is 62. And the highest is 86. So very easy and very simple to control it. And basically for the wiring, you guys connect this through the wall, and there's like the other section in the back. But you see, very easy and very simple to actually use it. And the sensitivity on the actual remote control actually works pretty well, if you didn't see. And then for the product, they do have this available in many different sizes and many temperature like settings, etc. But usually all of them work the same way. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set up. Very easy and very simple to use it.